Nakita kami sa wing ni Tita Glo. Tapos sabi niya, anong feeling na meron kang kapatid na senator? Sabi ko sa kanya, anong feeling na kapatid niya ako?
Correct.
I think that's the question.
Diba? Nag-confide noon si Rustom. I think, yeah, you were so confused and unhappy. And nag-confide si Rustom because Rustom wanted to finally be herself.
Pero not as a woman.
Ah, hindi pa ba nun?
Hindi pa.
Confused ka pa rin.
Confused lang ako noon.
Haba ng confusion.
Ang haba ng confusion ko. Just to make this clear, I thought I was gay.
Okay.
I thought I was gay, kaya ako nag-out
Okay.
sa PBB as a gay man. And then when I lived as a gay man for 3 years, to
Hindi ka pa rin
2006, hindi ako happy.
I know,
And
I
then
know.
that's when I realized, wait, there's something more. Kasi I was already living as a gay man, and I was as depressed, if not more. At doon ako naguluhan.
Yes.
Bakit ako? But,
I know.
di ba?
Anyway, yeah. I guess, at the end of the day, parang nakita ko rin at na-experience ko rin na finally, na-relieve na yung friend ko. Because now, ito yung gusto niyang mangyari.
Oo. Parang I found myself.
You found yourself.
Oo,
You
yun.
found yourself.
Oo.
And for me kasi,
Pero anong feeling? Ano yung feeling exactly? Siyempre, ito first time ko tinanong sa isang kaibigan. Yung dati
Ako
meron kang
kasi-
kaibigan na lalaki,
Yes.
tapos ngayon kaibigan na yung
well,
babae.
ako, I'll be honest ha. Dati, nung Rustom ka pa, ang daming nagtatanong sa akin, si Rustom ba gay? Totoo to. And then, wala naman po, well, without batting an eyelash, I would say, of course not. Tana ako.
Bakit ka natawa?
No, because nga, of course
Yeah, yeah,
not.
yeah, yeah.
I should know better.
Correct.
I'm with him all the time.
Yeah.
And I see him. We would party. I would see him interact with women. So ako rin, as a friend, I would always defend Rustom.
Yeah.
And then one day, yun na nga, mas maganda pa si Bibi kaysa kay Pops.
Sobra naman to, hindi
I
naman.
swear. Totoo yan. So, ako naman, as a friend, always respect your friends. For me kasi, I always say this, life is short. Hindi naman namin alam ang pinagdadaan.
Pero how did the dynamics change? Did it ever change? Hindi ko rin alam eh.
I had to adjust.
You had to adjust. Ako kasi hindi nanggagaling sa akin yun. Parang feeling
Yeah.
ko kasi, this is me. So,
I had to be very careful because now, wala na pala si Rustom. Now it's BB. And now we share makeup,
correct.
facial massage.
Correct. Hopefully not men.
Okay.
Meron ba?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Ang gulo kausap na ito si Bibi. Anyway. Sa vlog ko naman yan, pwede.
O sige, para ikaw
Para
naman
may
ang
baon
masisi.
naman ako sa vlog ko. Anyway, yeah, now I'm in front of a totally new person who seems to be much happier. Kasi po talaga si Rustom, ramdam ko ang kanyang
Naramdaman
sadness.
mo?
Oo naman. Sadness. Naka-move on na nga ako. Si Rustom depressed pa rin.
Yeah,
Nagtataka ako, sabi ko,
Tagal na.
ilang taon na? Parang happy na lahat. Parang
Nakailang
okay
boyfriend
na.
ka na along the O, di ba? O, sige. Aminin mo yan.
naman.
Although nagkaroon kami ng mga Christmases together na lonely. Pero nagsarilin po din po itong aking friend.
Life is short.
Dami din naging boyfriend.
Hindi
along
naman
the way.
madami,
Hindi
sobra
naman,
naman.
hindi naman.
Yung tama lang.
Pretty lang.
Oo,
Okay
yung pampaganda. Pampasabi lang na, okay. I have a love life.
Yeah.
Yeah. But naramdaman ko pa rin na,
Naramdaman.
hindi pa rin siya happy. Hindi niya somehow mahanap yung hinahanap niya. And as a friend, it also bothered me. It's like, Diyos ko, kailan kaya siya mag-snap out? Parang wala nang katapusan.
Yeah.
Until BB came to life.
Oo.
Diba?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
alam ko may mga, syempre may mga traces pa rin of fears and insecurities. But somehow, parang nakita ko nag-brighten up ka
Yeah,
as
I mean,
baby.
if for anything, I think I've come to a resolve. I think that's what's most important. Yung nandun na, nakagkaroon ako ng resolve sa sarili ko. And that's also where the happiness is coming from, or the peace at least. The peace na no matter what people says, at least wala na ako dun sa, I know already I'm not the big elephant in the room. If in case I am, I don't really care.
You're different.
Correct. Not unlike before, na yun yung pinanggagalingan ni Rostom na
And it's
gulong-gulo siya.
okay to be different.
Of course.
Yes.
And we are all different.
Yes,
Diba?
yes,
I
yes.
always say, okay, I am unique, but we are all unique.
Yes, yes.
And we have to celebrate that uniqueness all the time.
And again, ang hirap pong bilhin ng kaligayahan.
Mahirap.
yan
Hindi mo nabibili.
nabibili.
Hindi mo
Yes.
nabibili.
So, other people tend to judge. Other people will always have comments because maybe it's something na hindi sila komportable
Right, right.
sa sarili mismo nila. Or,
Of
syempre, madami rin makaluma.
Yes.
Diba?
Bali, basically, pinag-usapan natin is that's how the friendship began and that's how it progressed. At pero kung looking back, sa tagal ng pinagsamahan natin, pero naging magkaibigan tayo in the early 1990s. I don't wanna age you, I don't wanna date
No, it's
us,
okay.
but
Yeah.
of course people know, na nag-umpisa tayo mga batang 80s. Ikayo, batang 80s, kami batang 90s as a showbiz personality.
Showbiz, yes.
So even in the 80s, napapanood na namin kayo. Ano ang kalagay? I mean, dekada-dekada to ha. In the 80s, when you were at your peak, as para kayo yung mga teeny boppers at that time, no? Doon ka rin na-crown as a concert queen. Ano ang mo doon? Ano ang priority mo in life at that time? Was it heart? Was it mind? Was it career?
Naku, pag bata ka, always heart eh.
Heart over everything.
Yes, yes.
Kaya ka
Pag
nagpakasal.
Oo. Pag bata ka, well, okay, sorry. I will not generalize. Sorry. Maybe sa akin, mas heart. Bakit? Parati ko to sinasabi. I came from a broken family. So I'm always looking for a male figure in my life. Kasi hindi naman ako lumaki sa papa ko. Diba? So, and sobra akong sheltered. So, siguro dahil excited rin akong, hindi naman magka-love life, pero na-excite ako kasi nga everything is bago for me.
Correct.
Diba? Maski na nasa showbiz na po ako noon at nagsho-show, hindi pa rin naman ako lumalabas noon, bawal.
So hard ka in the 80s.
Hard. Parang, kasi nga hindi naman ako nagpaligaw masyado.
Yeah.
I mean, naligawan, pero bawal, diba?
Hindi ka pa exposed to expose.
Yes,
and
bawal
then
na bawal yun.
Tapos nagpakasal ka kaagad.
So, na-excite ako na parang, wow, ito pala yung my love.
Yeah.
Ang sarap pala ng feeling.
Sarap pala, ha?
Yeah.
Okay. 90s.
90s.
Sarap pala.
Oh,
Sige,
90s.
tignan natin.
Okay pa rin ako nung 90s.
Heart pa rin ang 90s.
Oo. Except towards the latter part. Yung towards the latter part, doon man actually, hindi ko talaga, it's hard to believe, no? Pero, you're always the last to know. Eh.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam na may problema pala kami. Naramdaman ko na there's something different. Pero hindi ko ma-pinpoint kung ano ba yung different. Diba?
Because parang typically the wife always is
the last to know. So,
at ikaw yun at that time.
I would have a friend, I'll not mention her name, who will always constantly check on me and say, "Hey Pops, okay ka ba?" And ang kulit niya, parang, bakit pa niya ako parati tinatanong kung okay ako? And my answer is always, yes, of course. Happy ka ba? Of course, I'm so happy.
Hindi na yan nga eh.
No, because in my
Because you
mind,
were still happy. Yeah.
I was happy, but I knew that parang may iba. Hindi ko lang ma-explain kung ano ba yung...
So, kailan mo nakita yung difference? Kailan mo nalaman, oh, this is it.
Nung
That's why
nalaman
it's
ko na
different.
kung ano na yung nangyayari. Doon ko nasabing, kaya naman pala. Yun pala yun.
So like
And
a typical
again,
wife, you need to know the whole truth and nothing
sinasabi
but the truth.
ko nga, blind item na pala kami, hindi ko
Hindi
alam.
mo pa
Kami na
alam.
pala yun. Sinasabi ko pa,
Oo.
sino kaya to? Tanga, di ba?
Dati sa
Kami na pala yun.
parang lahat ng tao nahulaan na yun. Si Martin and Pops ito.
Sorry po, hindi ko alam. Kasi nga, hindi ko rin na-imagine na pwede palang mangyari sa amin yun. Because ako rin, in my mind, we were so okay, 100%. And this is what we both want. Diba?
Okay. So, nangyari yan in the 90s, no? So, would you say do sa year 2000s, millennial, did it change at all?
Iba na, syempre, noong
Iba na.
2000.
Hindi na heart. Ano na?
Hiwalay na ako noon. So, 2000, yan yung madami akong, madaming pagbabago
Oo.
na nangyari sa buhay ko. Sa madaming pagsubok. Again,
Pero yan na yung reopening.
it took a while.
Right.
It took a while.
But I
Because,
remember in those times, kasi dyan na yung lagi tayo magkakakilala, lagi magkakasama. Pero yan na yung nire-redefine mo yung sarili
Sarili ko.
mo
It took a
as a
while pa rin.
performer,
Yeah.
di ba?
madami
Oo.
akong takot noon. Kasi, again, yung paghihiwalay po, hindi naman yan ang gusto kong mangyari.
Of course, yeah.
I tried to hold on as much as I can to a point na parang hindi talaga at parang ayaw niya talaga. So, bakit hanggang sa napagod na rin ako, na-realize ko, bakit ba pinipilit ko yung isang bagay na ayaw na sa akin.
Correct, correct.
Pero nung ginawa ko yun, ilang taon po yun, nung nangyari yun, na-realize ko, oh shucks, ako na lang pala talaga. Mag-isa lang ako. Kaya ko ba? Again, galing ako sa, syempre, sheltered ako.
Yeah.
Maski na ilang taon na ako may asawa, wala pa rin akong kamuwang-muwang sa mundo.
Oo.
Kasi nga, sheltered pa rin ako.
Yeah.
So now, naglagay ako sa isang lugar na you're on your own, ikaw na ngayon, ang kailangan alagaan mo na yung mga anak mo.
Oo.
Ikaw na ngayon ang kailangan magtrabaho on your own.
Correct.
So, ang dami kong takot.
Oo.
Kaya ko ba?
Oo.
Hindi rin ako sure kung kaya
Right.
ko.
But I saw it. Nandun ako nung nakikita ko yung
Yes,
nagre-redefine ka ng career mo, how you're handling it, and of course, nandun din yung kaya tayo lumalabas. Parang binuksan mo na rin yung sarili
Kaya lang
mo
ako
to
lumabas.
social life.
Yes,
di
parang
ba?
sabi ko, hindi ko
Started
to-
seeing other people.
Hindi ko to na-experience nung dapat
Yes.
teenager pa ako. So
Oo.
sabi ko, ma-experience ko
Yeah,
na.
yeah,
Ano ba
yeah.
ito? Ano ba tong
Which is a
mga-
good thing, really.
At least na-experience ko siya.
Oo. And yun nga yung parang second taste of life, di ba? And then,
Galit na galit sa akin yung mom ko.
yun ang nga sinasabi ko.
Oo, galit na galit sa akin.
Isa
Siyempre,
sa mga-
conservative ang mom ko.
Isa sa mga, isa lang naman sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan ni Tita Dulce, na kaibigan mo si Rosto Biol. Kaya kung nakikita niya si Rosto, alagaan mo yan, alagaan mo yan, wag mo pababayaan yan.
Hindi alam ni mama, ikaw pala inaalagaan ko. Baliktad pala.
Pero at that time, in the 2000s, hindi naman tayo nakakreate ng, actually late 1990s to 2000, doon tayo nakakreate ng set of friends na
Yes.
napaka-dynamic.
Yes, yes,
No,
yes.
no?
Oo. I think, yes, parang na-realize ko na there's more to just my sheltered little
Correct,
world. No?
correct.
Ah,
Because that's when you started going
mas
out.
naging sociable ako.
Naging sociable ka.
Yes.
Kasi supladita ka nun eh.
Hindi suplada. No. I think the word is mahiyain ako.
Oo, pero hindi
At-
ganun ang dating. Kasi I remember,
Oo.
ito
Akala ng tao,
oo,
suplada ako.
80s to 80s. Nagtatrabaho pa ako sa Makati noon. Hindi pa ako artista. Tatrabaho ako sa Makati. And nagpagupit ako. Kay Boots Babush ka ba yun? Basta isa doon sa,
Okay.
pagpasok ko doon, nandun si Sherry Hill at saka ikaw. Siyempre sa akin, natatik si Sherry Hill yung suplada. Pero siya yung, ganyan, sa mga hairdressers and everything. Ito si Pops Fernandez. Yeah. Yeah.
Mahiyain
Okay.
kasi ako.
Pero,
no,
oo,
honestly.
pero mahiyain lang po talaga
Mahiyain
siya.
ako.
At saka ikaw, yung
Tapos,
ka na talaga eh, yung
hindi.
may
At saka
payaya
takot
lang.
ako. Takot ako.
Oo, oo, oo.
Parang for me, sabi ko nga nung araw, pag hindi mo ako kinausap, hindi ako magsasalita.
Oo.
Kasi nahihiya akong lumapit. Lalo na pag hindi ko kakilala, baka sabihin naman ang kapal ng mukha ko,
Oo.
yabang-yabang
Yeah.
naman ito. Sobra akong conscious.
Gusto ko itang kamustahin dun sa, kasi I think yung decade ng 2010 to 2020, dun tayo hindi masyado nakikita kasi dyan na yung pumunta ako sa
Sa Amerika
Amerika,
ka na,
nandyan
oo,
ako,
oo.
dyan ako nagta-transition. So, ano ang, what's like
Ano to,
to you?
2010? Ganun ba
2010,
yan?
oo.
Oh, ano na ako noon, kumbaga sa, mas komportable na ako na single ako.
Oo.
Yung na-accept ko na talaga na single ako. Mas hindi na ako takot.
Mhm.
Yun na nga, siguro nag-lessen yung mahiyain ko. I realized, wala namang pupuntahan kung parati na lang akong nahihiya.
Yeah, yeah,
Or
yeah.
wala rin naman pupuntahan kung parati na lang akong takot sa sasabihin ng tao, parati naman may sinasabi ng
Exactly.
tao.
So, mas confident ka na. Masasabi mo, mas
paunti-unti,
confident ka na.
paunti-unti. Or siguro dahil nga, kinaya ko after how many years, kaya ko pala to be on my own.
Yeah.
Doon na, siguro mas nagde-develop na yung strength ko, at saka yung confidence ko, at saka yung courage ko. Meron pa ring fears.
Did the pandemic change you?
The pandemic,
Yeah. Did it change you in any way or form
I think
or
it
manner?
just made me realize more na any moment, pwedeng mangyari yung mga bagay na hindi mo ine-expect.
Ano epekto sa'yo? Ako kasi ang pandemic ang epekto sa akin. It gave me so much insecurity.
Talaga.
Oo. It gave me so much fear na parang, nagkaroon ako ng parang halos emotional breakdown.
Oo nga, napansin.
Hindi totoo. Oo, yung nagkaroon na wala
Kasi
ang
mag-isa ka.
trust. Mag-isa kasi ako.
Wala ka kasing family.
Takot na takot ako na
Yes.
parang at one point yung parang wala yung parang magugunaw na ang mundo, hindi na tayo magkikita-kita. And then I was very much insecure na tapos nag-ano sa mistrust sa tao. Na sa lahat yon, family and friends.
I think sa amin naman dito sa Pilipinas, na-stuck lang kami sa house. Ayun na nga, a realization that you have to keep your faith always. Ako lalo na because in any moment, di ba, yung mga kakilala mo, naririnig mo na lang na, nagkasakit, nawala, ay, pwede pala yun. Tapos okay na okay ang life. In this modern age, pwede palang, sarado lahat, bawal lahat.
Yeah.
Parang hindi na yun, in my
Diba?
mind, hindi na yun dapat mangyari
Oo.
sa times right now. No?
Correct.
Pero nangyayari.
Exactly.
So parang I guess, it made me appreciate life more. Mas na-appreciate ko yung life. Mas na-appreciate ko yung
After,
mga,
ako ganun ngayon.
mas na-appreciate ko yung mga loved ones ko.
Correct. And yung
Diba?
ako naman, na-appreciate ko yung, mas na-appreciate ko yung togetherness. Yung chance to be together and to spend time, yung quality time na yung dati, na ano yan, parang taken for granted.
Yes.
But now, it's a
Friends
personal
talaga kami,
friendship na.
Pero
yeah,
not
yeah.
that close. Just
Not
good
yet,
friends.
Not yet, oo.
And then one day, tumawag siya sa akin. Hindi ko ito explain mo sa akin ha. Kasi
Di Rostom.
until
Bigla
this
ko
day.
kung maalala ko kung
Until
naibigin sa
this
akin to ni
day.
Rostom, ah.
Oo. Sige, paalala. Rustom, are you there? Rustom, okay.
No, he's not here.